Today's video is something many of you have been waiting for: stock market predictions for 2025 and the years ahead. And trust me, what's coming next could change investing forever. So grab your notebook, settle in, and let's dive into what experts, analysts, and major financial institutions believe is about to unfold. The market reset, where we stand right now. Before predicting the future, we need to understand the present. The global market today is standing at a pivot point, a moment where the world is transitioning from economic uncertainty to potential rebirth. Let's break down what's happening. Interest rates were at historic highs but are now moving toward cuts. Inflation, which once scared investors, is cooling across many major economies. Technology, especially AI, is advancing at a speed no one predicted. Global tension remains, but markets are slowly adapting to this new reality. We're shifting from fear to strategic opportunity. For long-term investors, this is the kind of environment where new millionaires are created. Predictions for 2025. What experts expect. Now let's move into what 2025 might look like. 1. A new bull market may begin. Most major analysts, J.P. Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, believe the stock market may enter a new bull run by mid-2025. Interest rates will likely be cut. Borrowing will become cheaper. Companies will expand and invest again. Consumer spending will rise. Growth stocks, especially tech, may lead this rally. If you've been waiting to invest, 2025 could be your signal. 2. AI and technology will be the center of everything. AI is not just a trend, it's becoming a core part of every business model. In 2025, expect huge demand for AI semiconductor chips, cloud computing, cybersecurity solutions, automation tools, AI-driven medical technology. Companies integrating AI will outperform their competitors. This is not the dot-com bubble. This time, revenue, demand, and adoption are real. 3. Renewable energy could explode in growth. Governments worldwide have announced aggressive climate and sustainability goals for the next decade. That means more solar power plants, more wind energy projects, more electric vehicles, more charging networks, more battery innovation. Solar and battery companies could become the new tech giants of the next decade. 4. Healthcare and biotech will enter a golden era. Technology plus medicine equals new possibilities. 2025 and beyond will bring AI-designed drugs, personalized treatments, biorobotics, organ regeneration research, anti-aging breakthroughs. Healthcare is moving from treatment to transformation. 5. Financial sector will recover and reinvent. Banks struggled during high interest rates. But in 2025, lower rates equals more loans, consumers spend more, stock markets rise, fintech adoption increases. Digital banks, payment processors, and fintech apps might see massive growth. Predictions beyond 2025, toward 2030. Now let's look further into the future. What does the stock market look like by 2030? 1. AI will add trillions to the global market. By 2030, more than 70% of companies will run on AI. Millions of jobs will be supported by AI automation. Entire industries will reinvent themselves. This will create massive wealth for AI investors. 2. Space technology becomes a real investment sector. By 2030, satellite internet becomes normal, commercial space flights increase, space tourism begins, space research companies go public. What seems like science fiction today will become big business. 3. Smart cities and smart industries become global standards. From homes to factories, everything becomes intelligent. AI home systems, automated supply chains, robot-driven manufacturing, smart transportation networks. Companies building these systems will dominate the 2030s. 4. Emerging markets gain global power. Countries like India, Vietnam, Indonesia, Brazil, Philippines are growing faster than many Western economies. These markets could deliver massive long-term returns. Major risks, things investors must watch. No prediction is complete without understanding the risks. Here are real threats investors should not ignore. 1. Geopolitical conflicts. War affects oil prices, currency markets, and supply chains. 2. Market corrections. Even during bull runs, temporary corrections are normal. 3. Cybersecurity threats. More digital business equals more digital risk. 4. Government regulations. Tech, AI, and crypto companies may face policy challenges. 5. Economic slowdowns. Inflation, oil prices, or unexpected events can shake the market. Smart investors stay prepared, not scared. What should you do as an investor? So what can you do to maximize this opportunity? Here's a simple roadmap. 1. Focus on growing sectors. AI, tech, clean energy, healthcare, fintech. These sectors might lead the next decade. 2. Invest consistently. Small, regular investments can build huge wealth. Keycap. 3. Diversify. Never put all your money in one stock or one sector. Keycap. 4. Think long-term. 2025 is the beginning, not the end. Your wealth grows when you invest with patience. Final words. The next few years could be some of the most exciting years in stock market history. AI, renewable energy, biotech, and emerging markets are preparing to reshape the world. And if you stay informed, stay disciplined, and stay consistent, you can be part of that transformation. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a Knowledge Grid update. Comment below. Which sector do you think will lead the next bull market? Thanks for watching. Remember, smart knowledge leads to smart wealth, only on Knowledge Grid.